So now we have come to the end of color idioms, and this is the last stage of our color idioms, but everything has a beginning, middle and end. It's not an end, it will be a beginning of new series of our Greek mythologies. And so stay tuned with our next Greek mythologies and different stories related to them and different vocabulary sections of English. Now today we are taking up the different colors in a different scenario. Not basic colors, because we have already taken up red, blue, green, yellow, purple, grey, orange, bravery, which is not required, so this is just one of them, and auburn. What is auburn? Auburn is a red-brown color. It's usually used for the color of the hair. The special light effects on the stage made her hair appear almost auburn, giving her a magical look. You know, this is more of a goldenish color. Sometimes you have a blonde color. Please look at this word, blonde hair. It's used for, it's goldenish color, golden color. Right? Next color is the base color. These are just general colors to be read once. This is a light creamy brown color. Right? And this is a subtle color like base, which is more often a pastel shade preferred during summers. Summers people like this pastel shade. Next color is the blue color, which is specially used for expressing sadness. I discussed this in blue and I specially took it because it expresses sadness, feeling or showing sadness, especially used after the verb. He has been a bit blue. He's down in the mouth, or he's in low spirits since he failed in the examination. Chestnut is a deep reddish brown color. This is used for the color of the hair and the horses. That chestnut horse is going to win the race. Her heavy and silky chestnut hair got her selected in the ad campaign for the herbal hair oil. I've made this sentence specially for you. You could mark it out. Chestnut is a large, shiny, reddish brown nut on the trees on which chestnut this grows. You've seen that akroat and badam, this kind of thing. Yes, that's a chestnut. Turning to next of these color, crimson. Crimson is very bright color. This is reddish color. She went crimson with embarrassment, means very shy with embarrassment, on her own fox paws. What is fox paws? Her mistake. She made a mistake and she felt very embarrassed by it. Jet black, the next color. Too much of black, intensely black. To denote color of hair, eyes, fabric, we use this. It is the usage. My younger daughter was born with jet black hair. Jet is a black semi-precious stone also, so you could use it in the same time. Her hair was jet black. She is very proud of her jet black hair, right? I do also comb my hair and say, oh, my hair are jet black. No, there's a brownish touch. Next is mousy. Mousy is a light, a very interesting brown color, used for color, especially for personality traits like person who is nervous. It's used sometimes for this. Then remember the word yellow, to become yellow, or lacking interesting qualities. If you want to get rid of this mousy hair, that is this brownish of your hair, better go for full and permanent hair color. A mousy looking woman accompanied him, his wife, I suppose. Mousy looking. So what is mousy? You would help to see the word. It would be nervous looking, right? Okay. Navy. Must have used this word, dark blue, navy blue color, navy blue, navy blue. This navy and this blue linked together. Used to denote color of clothes, not eyes. He looked great in his navy suit. That is dark blue color. Very gentleman look it has. I appreciate this navy color, right? I want my son also to wear the same navy color suit and looks like a wonderful, handsome bachelor. Turning to next of the color, this is navy extended further. The part of the country's, there's another meaning, the part of the country's armed forces which is trained to operate at sea. My brother is an officer in the navy, right? pitch black. Now we did jet black, extensively black. It is almost the same. It's used to denote darkness in night. It's not used more of in the poem section, in the writing section, in the ornate writing especially. You find it, it's for darkness in night. We had great difficulty in driving through a moonless pitch night. What is pitch night here? That's black night, dark night, starless night. I repeat, starless night. Right? Scarlet. Read the novel Scarlet Letter. You'll understand more of Scarlet by Natural Hawthorne. She was decked in all scarlet red, that is, scarlet is brilliant bright red, just like we did the word earlier here, that is crimson, which is embroidered gold on her wedding day. People like to dress up on weddings, especially the Indian brides like to dress up in the scarlet red color. Scarlet fever is an infectious illness of the children which causes a sore throat. It's a pain in the body temperature and the red spots which are there on the skin. It creates a lot of problem for the children. She had kept busy whole day long attending her child who is suffering from scarlet fever. Please note, it's an infectious illness, it's a problem, it's a disease which children are usually suffering from. Turning to Scarlet Woman. Scarlet Woman from the same scarlet, that is red color. Scarlet is used for a woman who is considered to be immoral. Please note, immoral, indecent one, used accordingly, lacking morals, because she has sex with a lot of men. That's why I told you scarlet women are abhorred by the Puritans. I prescribed you Scarlet Letter. It's based on the same topic theme that I am talking of. Shocking pink is the bright pink, too much of pinky. Some of the renowned fashion designers have used shocking pink as the base color for the exclusive range of winter collection because it's more catchy. It's more catchy. The merchant navy, the ships of the country that are used for trading and not for fighting. You can earn big bucks in the merchant navy. And the last of this, that is turquoise, that is greenish blue. Greenish blue is used for fabrics, paints, seas, etc. It's not usually used for eyes. It's fun watching the clear turquoise blue of the bay. Turquoise is a bluish green precious stone also, which is used in jewelry. And we have the next in this, these are primary colors that we were talking of, and these are the fluorescent electric blue colors that I was talking of. One thing and the last thing that I want to add to it, although I have taken care that I've included everything in my video, but that is brown study. One of the colors which I really want to end up with, brown study, is reverie. It is to muse on or simply recollect the past. Right? It is remembrance. Sometimes we are lost in the past and we recollect the memories that happened with us. That is called brown study. He was in his brown study when his mother called him. Right? I have tried to include all the colors, primary, secondary, fluorescent, bright, light, and if you feel anything lacking, you're most welcome to make me aware of it where the things were not. Right? But your liking and your subscription is something which is going to boost us. Thank you, students.